Hello everyone, today what we come to do is to compare all of these three pumps that you see in front of me. They all have different on and off switches, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in the tank that you see right behind me. This is where we test all of our Galim pumps. We're gonna put them in a real life scenario to see how they perform in a tank full of wipes and other solids. We're gonna see how they perform, and let's go see how they're gonna do. As you can see, we have common products which are being flushed down the toilet on a regular basis. These products are going to end up in the bottom of the tank, causing sedimentation and eventually damage the pump. We're going to be throwing all of these products such as baby wipes, feminine products, toothbrushes, toys, sponges, all of those things that are being flushed in the toilet, and we're going to throw it in our tank and see how all of these different pumps are going to react and perform once those products are in the bottom of the tank. This is the first sewage pump that we're going to be testing in our tank. As you can see in the video, we are not pushing any of these products down the tank. These are going to make their way down as time goes by. As soon as the pump turns on, it brings the level of water down, making those solids come to the bottom of the tank. In this case, we can see how is the baby wipes, the ones being dragged into the impeller and start accumulating in the suction area, eventually clogging the pump in the first 5 minutes of the challenge. If we see up close, we can see the baby wipes entangled in the suction area of the pump, obstructing the pass of water, leading to overflow of the tank and causing a lot of damages. Now our second pump is up for the challenge in the same tank, same environments, and we can see it's the same result. Once it starts running, it starts bringing those unwanted solids through the impeller, and well, judge for yourself, it's clogged once again, making you waste time and money. Next, we have our brand new Galim sewage pump. We decided to take things to another level. We are testing our pump in the same environment as the previous pumps, but in this time we are adding dirt into the tank to represent human waste and to test our pump in the highest level. We can see how our pump starts performing and could have the same threat as the other ones. The difference is that Galim's pump solves the problems that the rest of the other pumps face on a regular basis. The protective shell does not allow the entrance of solids inside the tank, preventing clogging and most importantly, not sending those non-biodegradable products to the sewer plants to contaminate our environments. Overall, we can see the results of this challenge, putting Galim's pump on top of its competitors, making it more efficient, durable, and sustainable. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.